Hey there folks, Slayton here, another exciting removal. This time we're in the town of San Benito, Texas, hometown of Freddie Fender. Wasted days and wasted nights. We've had plenty of those in our lifetime, right? Anyhow, we got some bees that are exposed in a storage shed. Homeowner found them when they tried to go into the shed, and they called us, opted to save the bees rather than have them exterminated. So here we are. Hopefully we can find that queen. For y'all. God bless us and miss them so much, and I'll show you all that hive. If you look closely, you can see the waggle dance. Now, one bee there is waggle dancing, telling everybody else where the nectar is at that she just brought in, getting them to come and follow them. I love working exposed hives because you can actually see their behavior without, in the wild of course. What up, bro? How you been, man? Let me give you all a better shot at this. See if I can get you all right here. Move this one back a little bit. About right there. That queen is somewhere here. I'm hoping that queen is somewhere right there. Thomas Rhodes, what up, boy? You're just in time. Shirt's about to come off. It's about 110 heat index today. What? It's hot. Laughing out loud, what up, brother? Nothing, you know, just in a storage shed another day. And I'm in Freddie Fender's hometown. We'll do 2 cameras today. That one's getting the action on, right? Yeah. Tree branch hitting that roof scared me. It's so hot right now that wax will start melting in your hand. Oh shit, shirt's off. What? Make sure that queenie's not in there. Those bees won't sting. Pinche man of steel. Hey, have you talked to my brother, man? I haven't talked to him since he was down. Both of them keep in touch. So we can find that queen already. It's hot. We might go shooting this weekend down at Donna Lake. Oh yeah? Let me know. I'll show up. I'll show up. Let me know what time. I haven't had a day off in a month. We can find that queen right now, right here. I have lots of respect for you, bud. Oh, thanks, man. That means you have to take the day off? Ha. No, I can do a job in the morning if they go in the afternoon. Take the afternoon off. Thanks, Richard E. Scott. Ain't nothing, bro. This is what we do. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Fascinating work. Thank you, Melissa. So humid and hot in here. That wax is a little bit old, but it's melting in my hands. I heard there's a certain time when you can do that. Is that true? Can do what I'm doing, or in my area right now, there's nothing coming in. There's no nectar. The bees are the most aggressive in August because they're defending that honey that's been stored, or that they stored with the spring showers. But I don't question why I'm able to do what I do. I just do it. Some say it's a blessing, some say it's a curse. I just know it's a calling, and every day, you know. I guess there's a time delay. Let me show y'all what I got going here. Those of you watching us on YouTube, don't forget we do this live on Facebook. Shirt and all, leaned out body. What? 2017. I'm talking smack to the YouTube camera. 2017, leaned out body. What? That's what I'm talking about right there. I'm in Freddie Fender's house, bro. No, Freddie Fender's at Freddie Fender's hometown, San Benito. Wasted days and wasted nights. When did I stop loving you? Yeah, this one's some honey right here. Oh. The honey. That's the honey you're talking about? That you want to take the bees out to get the honey? Speak up, boy. Chel Tarasco, GF rep. For those that don't know, I used to go to Vegas when I was younger. I must have been about 17 that trip. I had a fake ID from Mexico. I was 21, we'd go to Vegas. Well, anyways, on one of them trips, I sat next to Freddie Fender the whole flight from Harlingen to Las Vegas. And me and him drank some beers together. I had the time of my life, you know. He told me some stories about himself, told me some stuff that, at the end of the day, Miller Lite distributors, the owners from down here, were on the plane with him. They were taking him to a beer convention. So Freddie ended up pulling out a pair of Miller Lite thongs, and I was like, whoa, 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 Freddie, what's going on here, boy? You know, I was thinking this guy wanted me to put them on or something, and no, he gave them to me so I can. He gave them to me so I can give them to my girlfriend, he said. And you know, plane landed and we parted ways. Facebook Live disconnected. Damn it. Reconnect. Reconnect. Facebook Live reconnected. I'm in the boons and San Benito. I was losing signal. Damn crickets failing on me now. If it goes off again, just remember you can watch this on YouTube Live or Facebook. YouTube, the video whenever it goes up. Damn. Alright, see if we can find that queen. Y'all reckon? We reckon? In Espanol for people watching me. In Latin America, Simón. Signal keeps fading in there somewhere. There's this queen, folks. There's the queen. I'm about to grab her and give her a queen kiss. Alright, we're back, right? What's up, Ronnie? Oh! Hey, where's my boy at? Y'all see the queen? Look, she's right here. Oh, you know, she's just hanging out. She's just hanging out, doing her thing. Time for that queen kiss. Let's grab her. Sure, runny one. We got the queen right here. Queen right here. Moment of silence, live, YouTube. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you, St. Martha, our patron saint. Siddiqui, our guardian angel. Queen kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Queen kiss. Queen kiss for live. This one's all on YouTube. We were getting a bad signal, I guess because of the aluminum on top, or I don't know. The signal was going on and off. But for those that are just joining us now, Queen kiss. Mwah. Edward Contreras, thank you all for joining. Andrew, Thomas Rhodes, YouTube. Folks, keep watching our videos. Subscribe up on top. Give us a like down below. Subscribe, share our videos. Be smart, be safe, be strong. Till next time, keep saving them bees. Mwah. Alright, I was doing my closing for YouTube. That's dope. Hey, people want to talk shit that my YouTube is all scripted and my videos. We're live. That's what we do right here. Live. So we'll see y'all later. I got 2 more jobs. I'm gonna go live on one, and the last one's probably gonna get a little bit dark, so we won't be able to go live on that one. But there's our queen. Mwah. Till next time. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Share my videos, like them. That way we can be on network TV. Get this Mexicano from Donna up on network TV. Homeboy, Guadalupe, what up, dog? Kiss it again. Mwah. We can kiss. For my homeboys in Donna, what up? That's how we represent. Share my videos. See y'all later. Amazing work. Thank you, Melissa, for always being there, always watching my videos. I appreciate it. Anybody else want to sign off before I sign off? I'm getting stacked, right? Sorry to boast, but I do work out because this job demands it. So, you know, I do ask homeowners to let me take off my shirt. If you're watching this, because this is my business fan page, so customers of mine watch these videos, and either you want to do business with me or you don't, but do rest assured we guarantee our work. Lifetime guarantee. Insured. And we know what we're doing. We're not like some posers that are out there claiming to do what they do. And, you know, we've been doing this for a lifetime. See y'all later.